Love these chairs. So comfortable. We love the rocking feature and so very portable. Great addition to our camping home away from home. I live in my RV full time, so I've went through a fair number of camp chairs. I've always liked rockers, but they're hard to use on rough surfaces unless you bring a piece of plywood, which takes up space, to sit the chair on. The Freestyle seemed like the perfect solution with its spring rocker mechanism. It's a good chair and well built. The only gripes I have are that they make you sit too upright and the arms are very narrow. The padded sleeves on the arms are very thin and slide around quite a bit. After buying this, I found GCI makes one called the Road Trip. Reviews show that it's less upright, has a higher back and has wider hard plastic armrests. I think I'm going to order a Road Trip but keep the Freestyle as a spare. I like the Freestyle, but I think it's better suited for kids or shorter people. Good chair, but the left piston broke on after a few months of use. Not a smooth rock anymore. The cup holder does work. Dispute reviews saying it won't hold a red Solo cup. It won't spill your drink due to rocking. Price should be $20 less. This is for the Freestyle Rocker Pro. The Freestyle Rocker Pro is one of the best chairs I've used. It is actually much lighter than I expected, and is still extremely sturdy. Lightweight gear is a must when camping, or attending events. It has a carry handle, so you don't need to try to fit it in a case to have a strap like other chairs I've used. The rocker was smooth on natural surface, pea gravel, and concrete. It is very comfortable, quiet, and relaxing. It folds up super easy with just a pull of the handle. One feature that I especially love is the cup holder and side pocket. It will actually hold a drink without spilling, and you can fit a phone, keys, or other small items in the pocket. This chair is awesome. Some friends of ours had chairs like these and we really liked them, and our other chairs had seen better days, so that's why I ordered these. The seat on these are a little short, so I put a cushion on them and they're fabulous. I went back to our friend's place and sat in their chairs and realized the material theirs were made of was some kind of rubbery stuff. These chairs have a nice ventilated back and is made of a nice outdoor material. The can holders are nice to put your keys, smokes, or anything else you desire. I really like the fact that they have a bar as a base and not 4 legs to dig into the soft ground. They will work well on our boat too, and the carry handle is genius. A woman must have made that executive decision, lol. This was a Father's Day present for my husband. He is 5'8" and it's camping season, so this was a huge upgrade from his last camping chair. He is 5'8" and it's a little bit too tall for him, so it puts a lot of pressure on underneath his knees and the back of his legs. I am 5'3". We will keep it and see how it goes, like if he can stretch the bottom part out a little bit, maybe if it sits out in the heat and he sits in it, but I know that if I wanted one there's no way I could do this size. I would need to do the fire pit one or the beach one. Also, I kind of wish that the back was adjustable. Either way it's a big upgrade, but I just didn't realize that it would be so tall. Lesson learned. We added this chair to our RV patio site for additional seating, but also because it is much more comfortable for my husband to sit in when carving. Click link in description for more reviews.